की सुविधा मिलेगी।
New Trip Youth Council ni ke HYC henne kasngi kala maham ting ya ke sarkar jela haringkat ke jingberngem ban penlong da ka tamasa bam do masi lada ai jingbet ya ke jingyai rally hapo ke jingyalam u brahmachari Mukund Anandji Maharaj ke HYC kala kam bakate ke jingyai rally kabala terwa ka themu bandawa ban penbena ya ki masi kum ka kemi jongkari lani kata ka mother of the nation but ke jingkhang syo do masi bamardo ha kawe kalyang kabalawan ra ya ka jingki win kat ba ka khubor halor ka jing ya kendu bat kinong tho khubor kala sapriang ki dekot ka HYC hapo ka jingelam u president uba Roy Kupar Sindram kilaya lum habar jongka Shillong Press Club haringkat ki jing tho plakat kum kadak ban pyrshah ya ka te ka kynhun kala ongru bakimla ban penlong ya ka jing ya kendu bat kinong tho khubor namar ka jing bam yo jingbet na ka Shillong Press Club.
Our message is very clear. Do not come and dictate terms on us. We will eat whatever we want. We don't dictate terms on you, so don't dictate terms on us. And the second thing, and the second message, a very clear message is that no such rally will be allowed from our side to be held in the city of Shillong or in Meghalaya. And we also want the government of Meghalaya not to give permission to such a rally, because if such kind of rally are allowed, it will create disharmony among the people, the various communities of various religions staying in the state of Meghalaya.